Friday day up at the lake. So let's get our bags and guitars and all the food that we can take. I'll meet you on the corner when the sun decides to break. So
catch that train.
oh, come on out and catch it.
Catch that train.
I don't mind the station, I don't mind going underground. I kinda like the symphony of 1,000 different sounds. In another 20 minutes, well, I'll be country bound. So
Catch that train.
oh, come on out and catch it.
Catch that train.
We'll look out of the window and watch the world go flying past every river, town, and village as they come and go so fast. We'll fill the day with memories, and I know they're gonna last. So